If you're already using After Effects and you're pretty good at it but still find yourself yelling at the screen, googling weird error messages, or wondering what half of the buttons actually do, this course is for you. After Effects Insider is your backstage pass to how the pros really work. It's made for motion designers who want to stop guessing and start finessing. No fluff, no filler, and definitely no 45-minute videos just to learn how to enable motion blur. Now let's be honest, After Effects is massive. It's powerful, flexible, and also very good at hiding the features that can save you time. Most courses teach you what things do, but this one shows you how to actually use them to work faster, think smarter, and get better results without sacrificing your evenings. Now here's what you'll unlock inside. You'll build smart project templates, tweak your preferences, and set up a workspace that works for you, not against you. You learn how to optimize previews and renders, use RAM caching, region of interest, and that speculative preview thing that sounds like science fiction but actually works. We'll also talk hardware, what makes a real difference, what is just marketing, and how to squeeze more juice from the machine you already have. Now there is a whole chapter on typography, including SVG and variable fonts. Weird but wonderful glyph tricks and free extensions that will make your text sync. No autotune required. We'll also build reusable animation presets, smart pre-comps, and time-saving mogarts that play nice in a team with clients who change their minds a lot. Then we step into 3D. You learn how to extrude text, import 3D models, animate cameras, and throw lights around like you're working on a Michael Bay movie. No plugins, no external renderers, just pure After Effects wizardry. And just when you think we're done, we'll pop open this secret stash, a pile of underrated effects and techniques like time displacement, matte choker, compound blur, and wild track matte tricks that you didn't know were legal. Now, this isn't a beginner course. This is a pro-level knowledge designed to help you stay sharp, meet deadlines, and keep your creativity intact. After Effects Insider is part of School of Motion's All Access, so jump in to level up your skills, speed up your workflows, and finally feel like the app is working with you, not against you. And if you've got questions, our support team is standing by with answers and probably coffee. Hope to see you in the class.